The long-awaited trial of Richard Allen, the man authorities say killed two teenage girls in Delphi, Indiana in 2017. The prosecution is already calling its first witnesses, and ABC's Ike Ajachi is here now with the latest on this. Good morning, Ike.
Good morning, Gio. For the first time, we're hearing the brutal details about the murders of those two girls. The prosecution laying down the foundation of this case to three important details.
This morning, opening statements in the long-awaited trial of Richard Allen, who's charged with the brutal murders of 13-year-old Abby Williams and her friend 14-year-old Libby German. Abby and Libby disappearing in the small, close-knit community of Delphi, Indiana, after going for a hike at the Monon High Bridge Trail. Their bodies discovered on Valentine's Day in 2017. Prosecutors say the case is about three things: the brutal murders of Libby and Abby, the unspent bullet found at the scene, and the bridge guy.
They have to show that this investigation was perfect, ironclad, or at least good enough that there's no reasonable doubt.
In court, the prosecutors saying that after the teens crossed that bridge, they noticed a man behind them. At 2:13 p.m., Libby recording on her phone, capturing this video allegedly showing the suspect. The man, investigators say, pulling out a gun and ordering the girls down the hill, heard in this chilling audio. The prosecutor telling the jury, "You're going to see the crime scene. It was a gruesome scene." Investigators also finding a bullet at the crime scene. Tests showing it cycled through a gun they say was found inside Allen's home.
That shell casing could have also come from a gun on Ron Logan's property, where the two victims' bodies were found.
The defense in their opening statement raising questions about DNA evidence, also arguing cell phone records show Allen left the area by 2:15 p.m. The prosecution claiming the girls were dead by 4 p.m. On the witness stand, Libby's grandmother describing the search for the girls and the heartbreak after learning they'd been killed. "I saw the coroner's van driving by, and that's when I realized they weren't alive."
The defense telling the jury they believe the girls were killed somewhere else and their bodies were returned to the crime scene. Meanwhile, the proceedings will continue today with the judge sequestering the jury for what could be a month-long trial, giving them only Sundays off. Allen is charged with 2 counts of murder, among other charges. Whit?
All right, Ike Ajachi, thank you.